Students, now let's start the new lesson. The name of new lesson is the King's Condition. What is the name of new lesson? The King's Condition. Okay. Now open your English textbook on page number 36. In this session we are going to only read the lesson. In next session I will explain you. Now let's start the reading. Open the textbook on page number 36. Lesson number 4. The King's Condition. King Krishna Dev Rai is in a good mood. He gives each of his courtiers a bag containing 50 gold coins. The courtiers are thrilled. Just then the king says, I want you to buy things with these gold coins within 1 week. At the end of the week, show me all that you buy, but there is a condition. Every time you spend a gold coin, you have to see my face. See next. All the courtiers are very pleased. They leave for the market to do some shopping. But whenever they decide to buy something, they remember the king's condition. How can they see the king's face in the market? If they do not see the king's face, they cannot spend the gold coin. The courtiers are puzzled. Some of them stay in the market for the whole week. They think if the king himself comes to the market to buy something, we might get to see his face. Then we can spend the gold coins. But the king does not come to the market. The week passes in this manner. When the court assembles after a week, the king asks the courtiers, well, how did you spend the gold coins given to you? The courtiers have no reply. The royal priest gets up from his seat. He says, Your Majesty, we could not buy anything at all. How and where could we see your face in the market? Then, pointing towards the bags of gold coin that all the courtiers have brought back, the royal priest adds, since none of us could see your face in the market, we did not spend a single gold coin. Turn the page. The king looks at Tenali Rama. That day Tenali Rama has come to the court wearing new clothes and ornaments. The king asked Tenali Rama, what about you? Did you spend the gold coins? Tenali Rama smiles and answers, Your Majesty, look at this new dhoti, this silk kurta, this beautiful scarf and this shining ring. I bought all these things with the gold coins given by you. The courtiers are surprised and happy. They think Tenali Rama did not see the king's face before buying anything. He has not fulfilled the condition laid down by the king. Tenali Rama is surely going to be punished today. The king says, Tenali Rama, you have not fulfilled the condition laid down by me. You did not see my face in the market, yet you dared to buy these things. Tenali Rama says, Your Majesty, I have spent all the gold coins only after seeing your face. The king questions, How is that possible? Tenali Rama answers, Your Majesty, have you forgotten that every gold coin bears the picture of your face? Every time I spent a gold coin, I saw your face. In this manner, I fulfilled the condition laid down by you. The king smiles at Tenali Rama. The courtiers do not know what to say. Wasn't Tenali Rama clever? Students, you have to listen this lesson. You have to listen and read the lesson and send me the audio clip. Thank you.